Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Let's go together in this very short video to look on condition of the cabin air filter on this 2003 Toyota Echo. The cabin filters in these cars are located behind the glove box, right? It's on the passenger side. So basically what I need to do is open the glove box, which is very simple, and then remove it out. And to do that, I need to squeeze both these sides of the glove box towards the inside, because that will give me clearance for these parts of the glove box, which are basically holding it in. And basically this is what I will do. Hopefully you can see it right now. I squeeze it in and in, right? And look, the glove box nicely went down and I can see already inside. Let me take you there. I can see inside the housing for the cabin air filter. If you look on these tabs, this is the one right there. Right? All I have to do is pull on them, right? Here is the other one, so I pull it, and now I can slide the whole thing out. And let's see in what shape this cabin filter is. I will not say it's brand new, but this is definitely one of those better ones. Let's bring it to the garbage can. Right, so I can do this. Also, you can see from the back side, right? It was there for a while, but it's not something catastrophic. Of course, I will still recommend it, right? After finishing this inspection, I will recommend replacing it. Now, if you observe the orientation, how the filter is inside, right? You can replace it by just removing it this way, right? You just pull the whole thing out. I'm not replacing it. This was just inspection. So basically this is the way you install it. You go the opposite direction after you put a new one there. This is the open space, right? And you carefully paying attention to the details. You just nicely slide it in until these tabs click, right? It's nicely in. Now I can close the glove box. These were holding it, right? These sides. You don't have to do anything extra, excuse me. It just popped on the bottom. So I put it directly back and I just pushed it in. I really hope you find this very simple video helpful. And thank you for watching. Make sure you are subscribed, because I have way more videos coming your way soon. See you later.